Well, hello. Hi, this is Rob here, and I've been given the assignment to demonstrate or work the problem 911. And as you can see from in here that I have already completed the work, so I will explain how I got to it, because actually it took me 2 attempts, as you can notice here, 2 attempts to get it right, but I'll explain and then do the process. So the problem begins with, suppose Nike Incorporated reported the following plant assets and intangible assets for the year ended May 31st, 2017, which will be in millions. Other plant assets are 598, land 240, patents and trademarks, that cost is 500. Machinery and equipment 2,120, buildings 960 and 160, goodwill at 180, and accumulated amortization $48, and accumulated depreciation 2,360. So as we go down to fill in the balance sheet, we've got in the first spot was property and plant equipment. That's how you as we section it off. So we fill in, go back up here, and we fill in land. Land is the first thing. And actually, to help guide me through this, I went in and opened up link to text and came down here to the example in the booklet, Coca-Cola Company balance sheet. And so that helped guide me initially to get into this. And using that as my example, I went land, filled in land. Land is the first thing that I put in there based upon that example of the Coca-Cola, so 240. And then buildings, 960. Machinery and equipment is 2,120. And then other plant assets, as you'll see up there, other plant assets is 958. Now then, you add those three together, and you then minus the less accumulated depreciation, which is 2,360. So when you do that arithmetic on your calculator, then that gives you this answer here of the 1,678, because again, you're subtracting the accumulated depreciation from the balance of these three here. And then to get your total property and plant equipment value, you add the this answer here to the land, and that gives you the total answer of total property and plant equipment. And then here for intangible assets is the next section, and you start off with placing in goodwill, and because since we're focusing on up here where it talks about amortization, goodwill is a lifetime uh, asset, so it is not amortized. Amortization only occurs with patents and trademarks assets. So goodwill is listed up there first at 180. Then we got patents and trademarks at 500. Then we go less the accumulated amortization of 58. So 58 subtracted from 500 gives us 452. And then the goodwill and the patents and trademarks together brings us the total of 632, which is the bottom here total tangible assets. And that's how I got the answers, and that's the solution to problem 911.